How to get Blooket hacks. So the very first thing that you do is, of course, open up any preferred web browser by heading directly to Blooket.com's official site. Now, before you do this method, make sure that you're fully logged into your account and make sure that you're not operating any current games from Blooket. Then the next thing you do is to create another tab, and we will be copying out a JavaScript from GitHub. So head directly to github.com's official website, and we will be needing to copy a certain JavaScript. Now just head to the search box and just simply type in Blooket. Now look for the Blooket JavaScript linked, and in here you can go ahead and choose any options you want as long as the JavaScript that we'll be copying out is the same. So let's try this one at first. So once you're here, all you have to do is to copy this file right here that says GUI.js. Click on that, and then you will be redirected to the context part of this file right here. So to copy all at once, just simply click on this logo right here, the two squares, just click on that to copy your raw file. Once you click on it, it is already copied. Now go back to your blooket.com, and then in here we will be bookmarking this page by clicking this star icon. Now all you have to do is to choose what specific folder or where that you would like this bookmark to be added. Now just simply click on done. Now once you've added it, right click and click on edit on the bookmark that you added, and then you'll have to change the URL. Now from URL, just simply type in JavaScript with the two dots and paste the JavaScript link that you have or you got from GitHub and click on save. Now for the hack to work, all you have to do is to click on the current bookmark that you have created multiple times. If it does not work, then you'll have to rerun the same page again, or just be closing the whole window and try to go back to the blooket.com's official site and rerun the current bookmark. And that's how you do, or that's how you get hacks on Blooket.